So Avalon Technologies is definitely one of the most promising stocks for the future, and I have told this earlier as well, and I would repeat myself now as well. And last year stock market did not perform well. It gave less than 0% return, and that's why all the high quality stocks were beaten down as well, which is natural. So now the market is slowly recovering, and it is time to focus on the high quality stocks. So today we are going to bring our focus back to Avalon Technologies. I will give you the update where it stands now. We'll discuss both the fundamentals and price action. Fundamentals, I'll focus on the key points, not the details. If you want the detailed fundamental analysis, I would share the link of my previous videos. Please go and watch them. Okay, it will be very helpful to you. Now, let's go to the screen and start this video. Alright, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is Avalon Technologies, and we can quickly see the profit loss statement, and we'll get to know where it stands now. See, the sales have improved in the last 3 years. Okay, 867 to 1090, then 1603 crores. This is good jump in overall annual sales. Now coming to operating profit, 63 to 115, then 173, and the operating profit margin has also increased. That's a good sign. Okay, now earning per share 4.26 to 9.59, then 16.92. Here also there is good growth. Now if we go to the quarterly results and compare last 2 quarters, like March 2025 to March 2026, we get to see that there has been growth in sales here as well, 343 to 480, then operating profit 41 to 57. Okay, and operating profit margin being the same, 12%. Now December 2024 to December 2025, 281 to 418, the sales growth is good. Operating profit 35 to 48, the operating profit is good, and operating profit margin 12%, and here it is 11%. Slight drop, but it is fine. Overall it has been maintaining good. Now coming to the shareholding pattern, if we see the last 2 quarters data, then we see that the promoter holding is almost the same, 44.42, here 44.41, almost the same. The FIs have slightly decreased their stake. Okay, 7.56 to 6.42, but DIs have increased their stake, 25 to 26.17%. And can you imagine 26% stake by the DIs and almost 6.5% by FIs? So that's a strong sign. And if I expand the DIs section, you can see the long list of DIs. All those major mutual fund, I mean the AMCs, have been holding this stock in their mutual funds. Okay, the funds that they have declared, small cap, then we have Focus 30 and many popular funds, right? So definitely they see something promising in this stock. Now coming to the price action, here is the interesting part. So we get to see that Avalon Technologies jumped up after a tight squeeze here. Okay, from mid 2023 to 2024. Okay, it jumped up, then again it came down, then it tried to go up, again it jumped, again it came down. Now we are getting to see some kind of stability in the price action. Where is the stability? You see, after this big jump here, there is little bit upside momentum, and again here we get to see a higher low. Okay, which is the first sign of an upcoming momentum. Okay, and the first sign of upcoming momentum, higher low, is definitely something which we should focus on. And also we have to check the volume for the last few weeks. So when I enable the volume, we get to see good volume jumps, and in this week, the week is not complete, but we can see already a big 18.75% jump with strong volume already, and there are one more day to go, the Friday. Okay, and if we check the momentum indicators, here we get to see that there has been a crossover in MACD above the 0 level, and this is in weekly time frame. Okay, and then we get to see a jump in RSI as well, and it is comfortably above the 50 level as well as the moving average as well. So this is a clear sign the momentum is strongly building for Avalon Technologies. Now if I go to the daily time frame and again use the momentum indicators, here also we are getting to see the same thing, a crossover here. Okay, and the jump above the 60 level. So clearly there is strong momentum building in this stock right now, and you can see yesterday's volume bar of 9% move, the volume is exceptionally high. Okay, now coming to the weekly chart again. Now if I use the fixed range volume profile, let's see what I am getting. Okay, I'll use this one as the high and the swing low as the low, and I'm getting to see the point of control is here. Okay, and this level, let me mark it with a red line. Okay, and I'm removing this to declutter the chart. Okay, and here you can see above this point of control we are getting to see strong price action, almost a bullish engulfing kind of pattern in weekly time frame. Okay, and then the momentum is building, so clearly there is strong momentum in this stock, no doubt about that. Everything is confirming. If I put the 50 EMA, that is providing support. If I use the 14 EMA, that is also providing support. And when I go to the daily time frame and just see the 50 EMA, we can see the stock comfortably bouncing above the 50 EMA. Okay, comfortably bouncing, and in 3 days it has given a big move of 17%, you can see, in 3 days. Okay, so that's a very quick move and also the sign that the stock is building strong momentum. Okay, now if I put the 200 days moving average, it is also below the current stock price action, and above that we are getting to see all the good strong bullish price action. So clearly this is sign of building upside momentum. So what do you think about Avalon Technologies? Let me know in the comment section. And in my personal opinion, I would say that it is definitely building strong momentum and giving investors opportunity to make an entry. So the wise investor should dig deeper into this stock and consider if they want to make an investment in this stock or not. This is not a stock recommendation video, this is just an educational video, please remember that. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section about Avalon Technologies. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye, take care.